Hi, my name is Adamut. I am CX Consultant at Apollogic, and today I would like to show you simple marketing automation at Emarsys. This is my homepage just after I've logged into Emarsys. On the left-hand side, we have a menu with sub-menus that we can navigate around our system, but I would like to move to automation programs. There I've prepared a very simple marketing automation regarding people who have a birthday in 3 days. I would like to send them an email, something like, hey, happy birthday. There is a voucher that you can use and get yourself a nice gift. So this stream is quite simple. Of course, I start with a note that is entry points. Entry points, they populate my stream with clients. In this case, this is recurring filter. So if we edit it, as you can see, this runs every day at 7 o'clock. So every day at 7 o'clock, I check for segments of people who have a birthday in 3 days. We can go to segments at contacts. Here is the segments. Important thing to know about segment is that they are dynamic. It means that they recalculate themselves every time they are going to be used at any automation program. And of course, it makes sense because this group of people who have a birthday in 3 days is going to be very different every single day. So we move to segments. Here is my birthday segment. And for now, there is only one criteria. So people who have a birthday in 3 days. I can add some more. So this could be, for example, country, equal, and let's say Australia. So now from this pool of all of my clients, this segment would regard to people who have a birthday in 3 days and they live in Australia. Of course, there are many criteria that I could use. This, for example, could be an email, if it was open or not, or some geolocation data, but we keep it simple, just date of birth exactly in 3 days. We go back here. So to these people, we are going to send an email. To check this email, we go to channels, email, campaigns. There we prepare all of our emails. So I open it, and as you can see, it's quite easy to navigate on. Here is some personalization. So in my case, it will be Adam, redeem your birthday code today. Buy yourself something nice. We can also use blocks. Just drag and drop them to modify, to add some elements. We can just click on it, also edit it, so it's quite easy to use. Of course, if you would like to use HTML or CSS, you can do it. Here we also have a preview, so we go to inbox preview, and we see how this email would look like for my client if they open it at Gmail. I'm happy with this result, so I come back to my stream. So I send this email, then I have a waiting note. So I would wait for 3 days. Then I check if they bought something or they didn't. Because if they bought, then that's a success. I'm happy with it. And there is nothing more I would like to do about it. But if they didn't, then I would like to send them an SMS. SMS with a quick reminder that, hey, there is still a voucher that you can use. Of course, there are a lot of nodes that we could use. This is just a simple example, but there could be like some filtering, or for example, I could use A/B splitter. So let's say that we've sent one email, then we wait if somebody responded or not, and then we can follow with an email and SMS, and we can check which approach would be better. But we keep it simple. I deleted it. So then I run my marketing automation. If I would like to check on statistics, there is quite a lot of it at analytics. From like very general, like strategic dashboard, here I have this general information about revenue, about churn rate, about order value, or for example, revenue analytics, where I have the most top performing programs that I currently running at my marketing, so I can see how much revenue they bring. So we're not gonna dwell on statistics, but last thing I would like to show you, because Emarsys is a great tool to use, but at the beginning you might be a little bit confused, like so many decisions to make. Even in this simple case of approaching somebody who has a birthday soon, you could ask, okay, but should I send this email like 3 days before, 5, 7? Maybe I should start with a push notification. So it's not like you have to create all of this from the scratch, but you can also use tactics. Tactics are automation programs out of the box, ready to use, made by specialists. So we move to tactics, and here you can see a lot of groups. Yeah, this could be like abandoned cart. This could be for leads that are getting called. This could be for price drop from restocking, and also birthday. So at every of this tactic, you can create automatically this marketing program. It could be AI optimized or not. You just have to choose what kind of channels you can use, because if you don't have, for example, an app, so you won't use push notifications. So in our case, this would be email plus SMS. We can create this marketing automation. That's all that I wanted to show you. If you have any question, don't hesitate and contact us. Thank you very much. Goodbye.